You need me to grab them? The soft one?
Soft one and the King Ranch is 3/8. And then in the back seat. Jam that in the snow. On the other side, I think. Can you reach it from there?
There's not a rope in here. Did you put it? Yeah, you put it in the side box. I'll grab it. Hey, pay attention.
All right, guys, it'll get a little brisk because of the wind. Look away from it when you get a chance.
Okay. It'll happen. You want your horses tied to this tree?
See the bear tree up there? They've gut shot this animal, which means it is not going to be a pleasant experience. It's going to happen right now. According to Hoyle. Not only that, he's gut shot. So I got to skin out his belly, try and keep it off the meat, and I have to clean their animal. No bueno. But we'll do it because they're from California. When you're a mountain man and you deal with pinkos from the lowland townies, you just count on getting lied to and misinformed every daggum time. Crap. Anyway, there's his balls. Sorry if this looks graphic, but it's a good handle for flipping them. Anytime you hear a ex-wife say what they'd like to do to their ex-husband, that's it right there. My gosh. I'm not sure he hasn't been shot for a while. See that blood's brown?
Yes.
That's a lot older. See, this hip shattered. See that?
Yep.
That hip shattered. I think he was shot before they shot him. Because that is not this morning's meat right there. That would be red. This thing's been through some serious things. There's his little pea-duke. You don't want to hit that. Cut around the donk. Go right down the inside of the leg. I didn't bring any of my sharp knives. This is literally the pocket knife I do chores with. Because I was told the thing was already hanging. So we will not take any criticism for our equipment today. Anyway, you want to get that donk out of the way. Here you go, broncs and donks. That's the donk. Okay, you get that out the back. If you cut that, you can get urine everywhere. But where he's got a stomach that's blown apart, this isn't going to work good anyway. So this is not a kosher killer cleaning. Look at that. They blew his guts up. That bullet went right through there and just tore him up. Oh my gosh. I know guys that did time or did tours in Vietnam, and they can't watch this. Just reminds them of too much. And I'm not taking my zoot suit off to clean their buck, so I should be up to my shirt sleeves doing this. This is really a horrible, horrible experience right here. I'm gonna have to cut the stomach lining. Any of you have ever cleaned an animal? This isn't how you do it. You don't go and find somebody's gut shot buck. But we didn't have a choice. We got duped. My mule is not going to appreciate the hygiene of this haul. Neither is my lariat. Some buck. Probably not gonna pull out the... That bullet went through, got lungs, got everything. Ribs are all tore up. Man, how many times they shoot him? loading him on that pack saddle, as tore up as he is, maybe I'll just drag him up through the snow. Let's see what Thor's disposition for that is.
This is their buck then?
What's that? Yeah. Yeah.
They didn't tell you the truth.
The truth, I'll tell you, in this life, it's a rare thing. All right. This is an old trick they used to do back in the 50s. Rope him and drag him to the truck. Not how I do it. I brought a mule to load him. But just as well if I can keep his head up out of the snow. Love that deer, I can tell you right now. Close up. Close. Hey Josh, what knot do we use?
The bow line and the square knot.
Hitch over the horn. See how we got one horn here? We go a clove hitch over this horn.
Okay.
Sorry to take you guys to Boy Scout school, but the reason cowboys are a dying breed, the reason doing anything useful is a lost art, is because kids today don't have an app or a video game to show them how to do this. Now, since it's just the snow, I'll let that drag, I don't care. Now that this has been measured, I'll put it right through like that. And guaranteed he's gonna try and run off as soon as he finds out this is hooked to him. He's gonna hate it. Hey. No, Thor. No. No. Get out of the way, guys.
I am. I got a horse beside me.
Thor, quit it. Bring my horse. I'm going to be training a mule for this. Quit it. Quit it. Quit it. Don't. Don't. Hazel, quit it. Don't. Thor, quit it. Quit it. Don't be too close. He'll buckle back and he'll get you. Daisy, quit it!
Your dog's kind of going to town on it.
I know it bugs you. Bring me my horse. You better get on yours, but stay way behind.
Okay.
Until I tell you it's okay.
Okay.
How's everybody doing?
Just fine. It's just like watching a kid dragging a toy across the floor and the dog.
Casey's still afraid that deer's gonna get away.
Yes. She's grabbing a bite when she can.
Casey, get out.